Be sure to like this video for good luck. In this video, I will show you 3 natural remedies that are easy to use and can get rid of toenail fungus fast. After I discuss what each remedy is and present what the studies say about each one, I will then show you exactly how to use them properly. And if you're a sufferer of toenail fungus, I want you to know you're not alone. Roughly 10% of the world's population suffers from nail fungus, and it's estimated to be impacting 30 million people in the US alone. Also, I know prescription antifungal medicine can require testing and have serious side effects, so it's important to learn about alternative natural remedies like the ones I will discuss in this video. Number 1. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is derived from eucalyptus trees, which are native to Australia but are now grown and used all over the world for their medicinal properties. According to Healthline, eucalyptus oil can be used for soothing cold sores, clearing a cough, and even disinfecting wounds. But this isn't the best thing about this oil. A study published in 2015 by the Journal of Foot and Ankle Research stated that eucalyptus oil may provide an acceptable and cheaper alternative to prescription topical antifungal agents. Ever heard of Vicks VapoRub for toenail fungus? Did you know eucalyptus oil is one of the active ingredients and is one of the reasons why this home remedy works so well for nail fungus and cough suppression? Number 2. Oregano oil. Oregano oil is derived from oregano, which is a flowering plant from the same family as mint. It's often used as an herb to flavor food, but it can have phenomenal health benefits. Oregano contains compounds called phenols, terpenes, and terpenoids. They have powerful antioxidant properties and are responsible for its fragrance. The 3 compounds found in oregano that we will discuss are carvacrol, thymol, and rosmarinic acid. Carvacrol, the most abundant phenol in oregano, has been shown to stop the growth of several different types of bacteria. Thymol, which is a natural antifungal, can also support the immune system and protect against toxins. Rosmarinic acid, this powerful antioxidant, helps protect against damage caused by free radicals. According to Healthline, oregano oil has amazing benefits, such as being used as a natural antibiotic, being used for nail fungus, and has even shown to destroy cancer cells. As mentioned earlier, one of the main compounds in oregano oil is thymol, and a 2016 study found that thymol has antifungal and antibacterial properties. Who knew this herb used in the kitchen can do so much? Number 3. Clove oil. Clove oil is derived from clove trees, and this oil is made by distilling down the flower buds found on the tree. Healthline states that this oil has many uses and can be used as an antimicrobial to help kill bacteria, as a pain reliever for muscle pain, and even help relieve respiratory conditions. A 2007 study found that clove essential oil has antifungal properties and can destroy toenail fungus. And another 2017 study looked at the antifungal activity of several different essential oils. Out of all the oils tested, clove oil was the most effective at stopping the growth of different types of fungi. And comment down below which one you will try. And now that I've talked a little bit about the benefits of each of these oils, I'm going to show you exactly how to use them to clear your toenail fungus. First, clean your feet, toes, and toenails with soap and water. Dry thoroughly with a soft towel. Then fill a foot basin with warm water and add a 1/4 cup of Epsom salt and a few drops of the essential oil of your choice. Eucalyptus is the most soothing and aromatic for the foot bath. Soak your feet for 15 minutes and then trim your toenails and dry them thoroughly. After drying them, apply a drop or 2 of the essential oil of your choice onto the affected nail. Let the oil soak in for about 10 minutes. Repeat this daily until the infected nail has been replaced with a new healthy one. This can take a couple months. And for those who feel like you've tried everything to cure toenail fungus, I provided a special link down in the description below. It's an all-natural remedy that destroys nail fungus and supports healthy nail growth. This remedy was inspired by Vietnamese rice workers who work 10 to 12 hours a day in water and muddy conditions. Despite this humid environment, they had very little reports of toenail fungus. And that's because they were consuming this exotic nutrient which is now being utilized in this toenail fungus treatment that I linked down below. And once you click the link, there's a whole video about it, so I won't discuss it too much here. That will conclude the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you like the content.